Lean forward. From the hip up. Yeah, there you go. Because your back is arched on the top. You want to fully forward.